Hi all, I am Smokeman and today, finally, I'm gonna present you Miui 10 Global 8.11.23 beta for Redmi Note 6 Pro. Don't mind the beta because this is a full stable ROM, okay? I prefer the beta. Now I'm gonna show you. Finally, the notifications are fixed, okay? As you see here, notifications appears on the left here on this side. After you swipe the notification, it gonna appears the data, okay, the hours there. So this is great. Finally, also we have here on the full screen you can hide the notch, as you see. You can hide the notch. If you don't like the notch, you can hide it, okay? Just, I'm gonna show you like that, okay? It's not perfect still, you see there. It's not perfect, but at least you can hide it, okay? So, this is great. Finally, Xiaomi listened to the users and fixed some annoying bugs as they have for Pocophone and Mi 8. So now all working. The only thing it doesn't work, if you saw my previous videos, is the alarm clock. You can still put the alarm, as you see, I have here, and it doesn't show. Not here, not here, okay, only here. Still the same annoying bug, but it's the only one I've found. Okay, video still not recording in 4K. Okay, only Full HD at 30 frames, but okay, doesn't annoy me. I always record in Full HD. Okay, nothing much on the camera, as you see. No big difference on the camera. All working fine. Here the quality, as you see, perfect. So nothing much. The only things they have fixed are notification and the notch. You can hide it, okay? So this is the first beta version for Redmi Note 6 Pro. I hope you like it, okay? Don't forget to hit like button, subscribe my YouTube, just hit the bell there to get my new videos, okay? If you want to know how to install it, just see my previous video, okay? And I see you soon. I am Smokeman and thanks for watching. I just forgot to say, this is the global version, okay? This phone doesn't have Chinese version. You have Portuguese from Portugal. You have Portuguese from Brazil also. You have all the language here as the stable ROM. So it doesn't make nothing. You have all the things you have on the stable, as you see there. But the icon disappears quickly, but all working fine. I'm liking this ROM very much. Now it's almost near to perfect, okay? So I see you soon, and thanks for watching. See my next videos of this great phone, okay?